Hi dear students, welcome to SAHARA Stream. We are going to study algebra and differential equation today. So our first topic here is solving cubic polynomials. You can see this is an example of cubic polynomial. Here the maximum degree of the variable x is 3, and this is the standard form of the cubic polynomial. There are different ways to solve a cubic polynomial, but today we will study just by factoring. How we can solve the cubic polynomials by factoring. So here we have an example of a cubic polynomial. X to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 9x minus 18 equals to 0. So we will try to solve these types of cubic polynomial by using factorization, by factoring. There are other ways like the factor theorem and other complex roots, but here we will study just factoring today. Here we have a question. It's a cubic polynomial. We have to solve it. So what will we do? First of all, we will factor out x square from here. You will factor out x square. So what will be left here? X plus 3. And then from the other two terms, this and this, you will factor out minus 4. So if you factor out minus 4 from there, x plus 3 will be left there equals to 0. Then what you have to do, you can see from here to here and here to here we have another common factor, that is x plus 3. So you will factor out x plus 3 from here, and what will be left there? Here it's x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 will be left there, and it will become equals to 0. So then you know what is x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 can be written as x squared minus 2 squared. We make both of them as a square because 4 is equals to 2 squared. And here we have x plus 3. Then what will we do? Is equals to 0. We will take this one as x plus 3, and then we will expand. We will factorize x squared minus 2 squared. So there is an algebraic identity. If we have a squared minus b squared, we can expand it as a plus b, a minus b. So x squared minus 2 squared will be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2. This is an algebraic identity equals to 0. So we got these three factors and the product is 0, so we have to put all of them equals to 0 separately. First of all, here you will put x plus 3 equals to 0, then you will put x plus 2 equals to 0, then here you will put x minus 2 equals to 0. So from here you will get x equals to, if you move this 3 on the right side, it will become negative 3. And if you move this 2 on the other side, it will become minus 2. And if you move this minus 2 on the right side, you will get x equals to 2. So these three are the values of x you will get when you solve this cubic polynomial, this cubic equation. So you will get negative 3, negative 2, and 2 for the values of x. This is the way to solve the polynomial by using factorization. Here we can see 2x to the power of 3 plus 7x squared minus 8x minus 28. So from here you will factor out x squared. So what will be left there? Here just 2 and x will be left. And from here if you factor out x squared, just 7 will be left there. Similarly from here you will factor out minus 4 because 8 is not a common factor between 8 and 28. The common factor is 4. So it will become here 2x because 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 7 is 28 equals to 0. Then what will you do? Again here to here and here to here you have a common factor that is 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. Then here what will be left? Here x squared minus 4. So x squared minus 4 equals to 0. Then in as we did in the previous problem, here x squared minus 4, it will be written as, first we will write 2x plus 7 as it is. Then x squared minus 4 will be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals to 0. So from here you will get 2x plus 7 equals to 0, right? So if you put 2x plus 7 equals to 0, from here you will get x equals to minus 7 over 2. Similarly, if you put x plus 2 equals to 0, you will get x equals to minus 2, as we did in the last problem. X minus 2 equals to 0. From here, you will get x equals to 2. So the three solutions for x will be negative 7 over 2, negative 2, and 2. This is a way to factorize the polynomial, the cubic polynomial, and find the values of x. Then here we have another problem. You can see we need a rearrangement here because if you factor out something in between this, x is the common factor, but here in between these two terms there is nothing common. So to rearrange it, first of all we will write x to the power of 3, then we will write this first minus x squared, then we will write minus 16x, then we will write plus 16 equals to 0. Then we will try to factor out something in between this. You can see x squared is the common factor in between the first two terms. Here just x minus 1 will be left because you are factoring x squared. In between these two terms, we can factor out negative 16. When we factor out negative 16, this negative 16x becomes just 1x, or you may just write x. And here this is 16, it will become just, because we are factoring negative sign outside. You have to remember when we factor negative sign outside, this sign will be changed. It's positive, so you will write negative 1 here equals to 0. Then in between these two terms, from here to here and here to here, you can see that x minus 1 is the common factor. So here you will be left with x squared minus 16 equals to 0. So here you will put x minus 1 equals to 0. So instead of doing that, first we will do x squared minus 16. 16 can be written as 4 squared. So it will become x plus 4 and then x minus 4 equals to 0. So from here you will get x minus 1 equals to 0, then x plus 4 equals to 0, then you will get x minus 4 equals to 0. So if you solve for x from all of this, here x will become equals to 1, here x will become equals to negative 4, and here x will become equals to 4. So the solutions for x will be 1, negative 4, and 4. Because this is a cubic polynomial and we know cubic polynomial has 3 roots. So this is the solution for this polynomial. See you in the next video. Bye.